DualGard is an engineered continuous two-pipe snow retention system designed for standing seam and exposed fastened profiles. When snow accumulates on a roof and begins to melt, it can form a heavy blanket that suddenly slides off, posing risks to people and property below. What is DualGard? This innovative snow bar system features a 1-inch diameter, two-pipe, all-aluminum design. You can even powder coat or anodize through your authorized distributor to match your roof's color. You can easily engineer a system tailored to any site-specific roof using our online S5 SnowGuard calculator, and a low-cost, job-specific PE wet stamp is available for applicable applications. What are the components of DualGard? The dual pipe cross members install in 7-foot 8-inch lengths and are equipped with a DualGard splice, which ensures structural continuity between sections and allows for thermal expansion and contraction of the assembly. The dual clip helps impede the migration of snow and ice beneath the cross members and is especially recommended for seam heights of 2 inches or greater. This clip can be assembled to the cross member either during or after the system installation and is available in 2 sizes to accommodate various seam heights. The dual collar is installed on the ends of the dual pipe assembly, securing the pipe in place to prevent lateral shifting. DualGard end caps serve to keep rain, dirt, debris, and critters out of the pipes, and they're packaged together with dual collars. How do you install DualGard? To successfully install your system, you'll need a few essential tools. In addition to a screw gun, you'll also need a calibrated torque wrench. A string line will help you ensure proper alignment, and a tape measure is necessary for precise measurements. Additionally, you'll require a reciprocating or circular saw with a non-ferrous blade for field cutting excess dual pipe at the end of the assembly. The T30 Torx bit tip comes with your S5 mini clamps, an 1/8-inch Allen bit tip or wrench for the dual collar set screws, and for your dual clip installation, you'll need that screw gun plus a 5/16-inch socket. To prepare for the assembly on a standing seam roof, preload the set screws into each clamp. The DualGard system uses 2 S5 mini clamps at each DualGard bracket location. One of these clamps should be pre-assembled to the pipe bracket on the upslope end. Finger tighten the M8 bolts attaching the clamps to the DualGard bracket by hand. Final tightening will be done when the assembly is in place. To ensure proper alignment of the system, it's advisable to use a string line. Measure up from the eave at each end of your assembly, install a clamp at each end, then wrap a string line around these clamps and pull it tight. Next, install the first row of S5 mini clamps along this string line to maintain alignment. This row will support the downslope end of the DualGard bracket. Tighten each set screw to the recommended torque specification, which you can find in your installation instructions. Place the pre-assembled brackets on the roof, aligning each bracket assembly with the clamps installed earlier. Bolt the pipe brackets to the downslope clamps using the provided M8 bolts and the hex bit tip or a 1/2-inch or 13mm wrencher socket, tightening to the recommended torque of 156 inch-pounds. Then tighten the bolt on the upslope clamp, followed by the set screw. As you begin installing the DualGard pipes, attach a dual collar onto both the top and bottom pipes no more than 7 inches from the first bracket. As you install each pipe section, use the splice to connect the pipes, creating an unbroken run. Remember to stagger the splices so that the top and bottom pipe connections do not align directly with each other. Note that S5 splices are designed with a dimple at the center to accommodate thermal expansion. Continue the assembly process by repeating the earlier steps until the entire system is complete. For the last pipe and bracket assembly, slide a DualGard collar onto the top and bottom pipes just inside the last bracket. Once in place, tighten the set screws on all 4 collars, ensuring there is a 1-inch space between the collars and the brackets at both ends to allow for thermal movement. Finish the run by installing the end caps. A continuous DualGard assembly should not exceed 100 feet in length. If a longer run is necessary, then start a new one several inches from the first. Consider using dual clip for additional protection. These optional components, Dual Clip 2 and Dual Clip 3, can be added to your system to prevent snow and ice from sliding beneath the dual pipe. Dual Clip 2 is suitable for seam heights from 1 inch to 1.5 inches, while Dual Clip 3 fits seams from 1 3/4 inches to 3 1/4 inches. When the seam spacing is 24 inches or less, install one dual clip between each seam in the first row of snow retention. If the seam spacing exceeds 24 inches, use 2 clips between each seam. You're done! You've now installed DualGard on your roof and are ready for winter's first snowfall. The S5 DualGard system isn't just about snow retention, it's vital safety equipment designed to reduce the risk of rooftop avalanches harming your property and the people around it. With independently tested components, you can rest assured it will stand up to the challenge.